Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Below we will share with you how to connect the terminals of the old AC fan and the new one. We will share the wiring of old AC fans in this video. The old model divides the input port into digital input and analog input. Among them, DIN represents the digital input, and the digital quantity and switch value are used to switch the status. DIN1 controls the fan's enable and wait energy. DIN2 is used to switch the fan's internal parameter. DIN3 controls the forward and reverse rotation of the fan. AIN represents analog input. AINU represents voltage analog input. AINI represents current analog input. If we use 0-10 volt or PWM control mode, it must be connected to the AINU port. If we use 4-20 mA, it must be connected to the AINI port. In addition to the input port, there are also 3 output ports. Among them, positive 10 volt and positive 20 volt are fixed voltage outputs and can be used as voltage sources for external devices. LUT is a variable voltage output with a voltage range between 0-10 volt. The voltage value depends on the current speed of the fan or the current modulation level of the fan. There is also a set of RS485 interfaces at the fan port for fan communication. The 3 remote functions of the fan are realized through the protocol. In addition, a set of normally open and closed relay contacts are also provided to indicate the operating status of the fan. Are those helpful enough for your wiring? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.